dual pump lift station, 2 horsepower dual pump lift station. We're getting ready to pick it up and install it in this hole. It's part of a abandonment of septic system on this house at the ocean. About 200 feet. We're going to put the tank right there, and that tank has got two horsepower grinder pumps, and then it's force fed out to the force main for the kingdom. This is ASAP Plumbing at 904-346-1266. And again, we're getting ready to install this pump system.
The whole thing.